In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set or change the default calendar in Google Calendar. Keeping your schedule well organized and up to date is essential, and Google Calendar makes that task much easier. Whether you're handling personal plans, work commitments, or social engagements, having the correct default calendar selected ensures that every event ends up in the right place, helping you stay on top of everything without confusion. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to make this adjustment in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get your calendar set up just the way you want it. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Once there, you'll want to sign in using your Google account credentials. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your calendar interface, displaying any upcoming events or reminders you've already set. It's your command center for staying organized. Now, to change the default calendar associated with events, you'll need to interact with an event. This can either be a new event you're creating or one you've already scheduled. For today, we'll focus on updating an existing event. However, rest assured that the steps are almost identical for a new event as well. Click on the event you want to update. You should see a pencil icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the editing panel for that event, where you can adjust all the details connected to this specific occasion, including the calendar it's assigned to. In the event settings, you'll want to find the Calendar drop-down menu. Give it a click, and it will reveal all the calendars linked to your Google account. These might include your main calendar, work calendar, personal calendar, or even shared calendars with family or friends. Take a moment to review the list and select the calendar that best fits the purpose of this particular event. Once you click on your preferred calendar, you'll notice it updates in the calendar field of your event setup. After double-checking that all other event details are correct, it's time to lock in your changes. Hit the Save button, which you can usually find at the top or bottom of the event editor. This step is crucial as it confirms the change and reassigns the event to your chosen calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully changed which calendar an event belongs to in Google Calendar. Although this might seem like a small tweak, assigning your events to the correct calendar helps you manage your time more efficiently and keeps your schedule free of mix-ups. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helped make your scheduling smoother and more stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips.